Today we're going to talk a little bit about STEM and the holidays and how we learn and also do something fun at the same time or simultaneously. We're going to be talking about dry measuring cups and liquid measuring cups because we're going to be baking a cake. All right, now the first thing is that dry measuring cups are actually different from liquid measuring cups. They are often metal or plastic with a flat top in order to level off the ingredients. And some of the ingredients you'll use in a dry measuring cup are flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and of course, dry granulated ingredients. And so what you're really doing is you're measuring the volume of the actual ingredient using the cup. Okay. And that's just simple, like, the common factor of 4 being the denominator and doing that fraction out. Or you could just say, hey, I'm going to put 3 cups of this 1/4 cup into my batch. But these are some of the ways that we can calculate and learn and have fun while we are baking our cakes for holidays. So enjoy.